The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share another episode of Christmas with Chelles. Today guys, we're taking on my glam master bedroom and decorating it for Christmas. I hope you enjoy. I started this morning by tackling my master bedroom. I wanted to get clean and fresh, new sheets, new bedding, and have that happy feel when you jump back into bed. I started by removing everything off the bed, and then I added some brand new sheets. I then added some fresh new pillowcases as well. You know I'm absolutely obsessed with leopard print this year, so you can imagine my delight when I walked into Spotlight recently and they had a leopard print DOONA cover. It had such a beautiful velvet touch guys, and is so cozy at night. I then put on the DOONA cover as well as the pillow covers, and guys, I'm so obsessed with this leopard print. One of the things I love doing with my DOONAs is I love to roll the tops forward, so almost like they're a big chunky sausage across the top. This gives some definition to my bed, and I absolutely love the way it looks. I then added this beautiful Good Morning Gorgeous cushion that I picked up from Big W, as well as my white throw from Z Gallery. Created a little vignette with this rustic tray. I got this cute little house from Bed Bath & Table. The flowers are from TK Maxx, as well as the candle holders. I then added this fur gift box, which is a recent one of my DIYs that I'll leave linked down below. I then started to clean my mirrored furniture. I took some glass cleaner and went round and cleaned it all.
Sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
I then went round and gave the room a very good vacuum, and I was so happy with how it was coming.
Girl, I wish you the merriest Christmas.
One of my favourite things to do when I finish a room is to spray it with some beautiful room spray, and this is one of my favourites, guys. This is by Angel Aromatics and it's called Enon, and guys, it smells amazing.
You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish.
Now off camera I added my little white fluffy stockings to the walls just to give it that little bit of extra Christmas feel. Now I didn't go over the top with Christmas decorating, guys. I wanted my DOONA cover to be the focal point, the animal print to really stand out, which it does. I so wish I could let you touch this, guys. It is so soft and so comfortable. And for my Australian viewers, please rush into Spotlight at the moment. This retails at $120, guys, but if you're a VIP member at Spotlight, it's currently retailing for just $39 for the queen size. It is stunning.
It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air. That every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down. All the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
Guys, leave me a comment down below if you're enjoying Christmas with Chelles. I'm planning on doing lots of room tours, guys, individual room tours of Christmas, as well as my completed house tour. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be aware every time I upload a video.
Have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I do DIY projects, inspirational ideas for decorating your home, as well as room tours, and I love everything glam. So I'd love for you to join Chelles Glam Home family. My channel just might be for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your bedrooms for Christmas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.